Alright, so today we got this. Lines all on the screen right here. This customer, he decided to come in with his own part, which we don't get that often. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this in real quick.